Dear friends, in class 7 we have fourth lesson simple equation and we are solving exercise 4.1. We have four questions. Write the equation for the following statements. So we have to write these statements in mathematical form or in equation form. So first is the sum of a number x. Please note we are given a number x and 4. So x and 4, the sum of x and 4 is 9. So it means x plus 4 is equal to 9. This is the equation form of the same statement. Second is 2 is subtracted from y is 8. Please note here 2 is subtracted from y. So y is here y minus 2. Please note 2 is subtracted from y to get the answer 8 is 8. Next third is 10 times a. Times means multiplication. 10 times a, that is 10 multiplied by a, is equal to 70. This looks like x, so no need to write in this form. We write 10a is equal to 70. This also means 10 times a. Or you can make a bracket for multiplication. This it can be written like this because the cross looks like x or it looks like multiplication. Person may confuse between multiplication and x, so better to write bracket. Next is the number b divided by 5 gives 6. It means this b is divided by 5. b divided by 5 is equal to 6. Now this division can be written as b upon 5 is equal to 6. Next is 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of t, try to understand. 3/4 of t means 3 upon 4 times t. This is 3/4 of t is 15. Next, sixth question is 7 times m plus 7. 7 times m means 7m. We have already written 10 times a is 10a. So 7 times m is 7m plus 7 is gets you 77. So it means the answer is 77. 1/4 of a number x minus 4. 1/4 of, it can be written 1/4 of x or it can be written as x upon 4 also. Minus 4 gives you 4. This can be written as x upon 4 minus 4 gives you same answer 4, gives 4. Next is if you take away 6 from 6 times y. So 6 times y means 6y, and if you take away 6 means we have to subtract 6 from 6 times y, that is 6y minus 6. Try to understand this. If you take away 6, so 6 is taken away from 6 times y, you get 60. So this is equal to 60. Next is if you add 3 to 1/3 of z. 1/3 of z is z upon 3, or you can write as 1 upon 3 z also. So if you add 3 to 1/3, we have to add 3 to 1/3 of z. So if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Please note, here some student may write 3 plus z upon 3 is equal to 30. This is also correct. But we have if you see all math teachers, they write this variable at the front. So they will write like this, z plus 3 is z upon 3 plus 3 is equal to 30. But this is also correct. Here friends, next question is write the following equation in statement form. So here equations are given and we need to write this in statements. Now see, p plus 4 is 15. Here p is the variable given. It is not necessary that you mention the variable while writing the statement. So you can write sum of p and 4 is 15. Sum of p and 4 is 15. Please note, here p is a variable, so it is not necessary that you write while writing the statement. You can directly write sum of a number. Sum of a number. A number means it can be any, and for this we will have to take a variable. Sum of a number and 4 is 15. Sum of number and 4 is 15. Here m minus 3. M minus 7 is 3. So the difference between m and 7 is 3. But when you say the word difference between m and 7 is 3, here you don't mention whether m is bigger or smaller. So it can be 7 minus m also and m minus 7 also. So I suggest don't write the sentence. The difference between a number and 7, you need to write m minus 7 is m minus 7 is 3. Is 3. Next is 2m is equal to 7. So here the product of 2 and m is 7, or you can say twice m is equal to 7, or 2 multiplied by m is equal to 7. Any one of the statement you can say twice m, twice a number is 7. So please note, when we say a number, a variable is included in it. Twice a number is 7, you can say twice of m is 7, in that way also. Here m divided by 5 is 3. So m is a variable, we can say a number means a variable, a number divided by 5 is 3. A number divided by 5 is 3. Then next is 3 upon 5. So 3/5 of a number, 3/5 of a number is 6. Here you can say 3 upon 5 times, or 3/5. It can be written 3/5, or you can say 3 upon 5 times 3/5 of a number is 6. It can be written in this way as well. Next, sixth is 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. Here, understand, 3 times a number plus 4. 3 times p, or you can say 3 times the number also. 3 times a number. When we say a number, it is a variable. 3 times a number plus 4. Plus 4 is 25. There are different ways to write same equation in different statements. It can be written in different statements, but they mean one and the same. So one of the statement is 3 times a number plus 4 is 25. Next is 4 times a number minus 2. 4 times a number minus 2 is 18. 4 times a number minus 2. Minus 2 is 18. And lastly, we can see a number divided by 2 plus 2. A number divided by 2 plus 2 is 8. Or you can say p divided by 2 plus 2 is 8. Any one of the statement can be written. A number divided by 2 plus 2 is 8. This p upon 2 can also be written as half of a number plus 2 is 8. See, divided by 2 means half. So it can be written in any one of the way. Half of a number plus 2 is 8. They all mean one and the same.